So there's some new footage of Drake. I guess it's a drone. Some people think it's fake. I don't know. Let's take a look at it because I'm like, there's some drone footage going on here. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what they're talking about. That's Drake. Oh shh. But what are you about to, oh! I hate that he missed it. He had a straight on shot. But at the same time, it's floating in the air, man. I get it. He looks shook. That's okay. That's a nice building. That's a nice building. I don't know. Part of me feels like it's fake. And part of me is like, maybe it's not fake. You know, like why would he stage that? Because it's, I mean, those drones get so high. Those drones fly everywhere. So I don't know. I feel like a part of me feels like it's fake. I mean, he did just release the album. It could be publicity. He did just release the album. I don't know. That's bizarre. Technology is cool, but some stuff is just like the invasion of privacy is just not cool. That is just not. It looked like he just got out of the shower or something like that. You know, he was coming outside, and just what the. You just gotta hit him square on, man. He just sidearmed it, like just hit him square on, Drake. Just bam, just line it up. At the same time, it's flying. It's flying in the air. Like, oh, I wish he had to just hit it square, man. Just hit it. But I mean, this thing is floating. I don't know. Like, and then those things. I mean, there's a flip flop. It's a flip flop. So maybe the wind took it. The wind ain't take it. The wind ain't take it. Cause he sidearmed it. He sidearmed it, man. Like, just hit it square, Drake. Oh well. Let me know in the comments. Do y'all think it was fake? Do you think it was staged? Do you think it was real? Let me know in the comments. Appreciate it.